I'm trying to figure out which one make it. I can't say Bob Marley easily, but that's from a musical perspective. But there's also a moral side of things, and my grandmother was that hero for me. Happiest childhood memory was probably Sunday school, Sunday church, what I said with my grandmother. If I was an entertainer, I would probably be, how would I say, probably a teacher. Proudest moment in life would be meeting James Brown. Yeah. Favorite guilty pleasure would be Tutti Frutti with my daughter then. Chronic, Dr. Dre, and Kaya, Bob Marley. I most of my grandmother, our grower granny, always told me that I'm going kind till a fool. Yeah, she said that. You're kind till you're a fool. I swim like a brick. Yeah. That I bring smiles. Listen as much Shaggy as possible, right? And make sure you don't have a TV on while it happens.